So in this video I will show you how to make UI, and in the UI you will be able to change your theme. But before we start, I would like you to like, subscribe, share and comment. And now let's get into it. So first we will need to make the themes. So we will have a theme called like prisoners. So make a theme in themes service and call it prisoners, and make it auto assignable in properties and change the color to any color you want, and then duplicate it and change the name to police or whatever name you want, and the color too. So now that we have our themes, we can make the UI. So let's make a screen UI. Let's call it open button, and let's make a replicated storage and add a remote event inside it and call it like change theme. And in open button create a button. Let's scale it 1,0,1,0. Change the sizes a little bit. Now we can change the text to open and text scaled. I'm not going to make anything good looking yet. And make another screen GUI and call this one theme changer UI, and delete this and insert a frame and change the size to 1,0,1,0, and then you can change the size however you want. So I will change it like this. That's good for now. And I will make the UI look a little bit better just for the thumbnail. Now that we have our menu, we can make the buttons. So insert a text button in the frame and call the button prisoners and change the size to 1,0,1,0, and you can basically copy all of this stuff and paste it to the button. But change the you can change the colors however you want. It's just on you, but I will make it like this. Scale it, do I stroke, border, yes. Then remove the text in here and copy this text and paste it into here. Put it somewhere in the middle and change it to prisoners and scale it. That will be the prisoners button. And now let's make the police button. You can rename it to police and also change the text to police and the color. And now add a local script into the button prisoners, and let's script it. So local PLR equals to game :get service players dot local player script dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function. So this will detect anytime we will click the button, and when we click the button we will want to run this remote event. So we will first do some variables. So local theme or changed, I can type changed theme equals to game.themes.prisoners, and now game.replicated storage dot change theme fire server, and we will paste the change theme variable there. Now we will duplicate the local script and paste it into the police button and just change the prisoners to police or whatever team you want. Now we will make it so it will change your level, team. So insert a script, and we will first want to get the event. So when the event is fired, so game.replicated storage dot change team dot on server event connect function. We will get a player and we will get the change team, and we will basically do plr.team equals to change team, and that's it. And let's quickly make a close button. So duplicate the police button, delete the script from that, change the name to close, change the colors and change the text, and let's put it somewhere here. Let's do this. Let's script the close button. So local plr, I forgot to tell you, insert a local script inside the close button, and now we will do local plr equals to game get service players dot local player game dot script dot parent dot mouse button on one click connect function, and we will disable this UI. So local player UI equals to player dot player UI player UI dot open player UI dot open button dot enabled equals to true, and player UI dot change team change UI dot enabled equals to false. And we can copy the script from close button and paste it into the button that we made for opening, and just change the open button to be visible to false and the team changer to be true. And now disable the team change UI, publish it to Roblox, and we can test it. Also, before we start, go to police and uncheck auto assignable. What auto assignable does, it's just when you have multiple teams, and it will automatically put you in the team that has auto assignable on. So I would recommend you to disable it for all of the teams and enable it for the team where you want the players to start. And now let's test it. And as you can see, I'm in the prisoners team. As you can see, there are these two teams, prisoners and police. I'm in the prisoners team. When I click this, it will open the UI. When I click on this, it will close the UI. And when I click prisoners, nothing will happen because I'm already in prisoners team. But if I click on police, I will be moved to police team. And when I click now to prisoners, I will get back to prisoners, and I can change it however I want. So hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or ideas or would like to improve it, so like, I don't know, overhead UI that tells you like what team you are in, or maybe make teams that are only for Robux, you can definitely hit me down in the comments. And if this video will get enough likes, I will definitely do that. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.